Well, it's Thursday, June 2nd. Been working down here clearing and cleaning. Still a disaster, similar to how it was, but it's getting better slowly. So tomorrow's my last day, and then I got 10 straight days of workcation, and I will be spending it here. So I figured I'd do a quick video just to show the progress. I haven't posted one in a few months, so I need to do that as well, but just to kind of do it before, because after this 10 days I plan on this being not like this. Little back alley view. So I was gonna do a bunch of auctions on my vacation time that I took, but I can't because of this. I've been moving shelving up here, and I started my booth. It's been like that since, I don't know, a couple weeks now. Been slowly working at it, putting stuff up. There's some cars. It's Ashley's keychain she makes, her gnomes, some random little stuff. And then this is gonna be like the jewelry section. I used to buy like a lot of bulk jewelry, and then I'd search it for gold and silver, and I got boxes of this costume jewelry stuff that I need to get rid of. So I mean, there's some good things in here, like that's a sterling set. I think it was priced at like $60. That heart one, brand new, was $160. I think it was 159. And you know, I got just loads of these bangle bracelets, which, you know, it's a bunch of cheap stuff. But when I used to buy all that bulk jewelry, I'd buy it by the pound, like a, you know, 30-40 pound box, and I'd search it for the good stuff, and I'd always find some gold and silver in it. That's why I kept doing it, but prices went up, and I stopped doing it. But I think I got some more somewhere. So we'll have a little jewelry section anyway. And then I'll do like toys and cars up here. I got more of that stuff I gotta put out. Over here we'll do like glassware. These are coffee mugs, Pyrex, you know, kind of some of the better stuff. I mean, nothing too great, but then this will be basketball, autographs, inserts, numbered stuff, mostly stars. This is the football section, relics, autos, numbered, baseball section. Nothing, there's not gonna be anything too high dollar in here right away anyway. Just gonna test the waters a little bit with some cheap stuff. Like, I started pricing some of these, you know, $3, $5 relics and autographs, stuff like that. You know, kind of low tier players, but got a long ways to go, and hopefully on the next video, or the next few videos if I remember and have time, there'll be some major progress. There's gonna be, as long as I don't hurt myself. But yeah, we're looking at about a month. I don't know how many times I've said that, but I'm serious this time.